invest in a mutual fund based on historical performance? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are discussing an important question that many investors ask. Should you invest in a mutual fund based on its historical performance? We'll break it down and look at the factors that matter when making investment decisions. Understanding historical performance. When you're looking at mutual funds, one of the first things that many people check is the fund's historical performance. This shows how the fund has performed over time, usually measured in terms of returns over 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, or even longer. But should this be your main factor when choosing a fund? Why historical performance isn't everything? While historical performance can give you an idea of how a fund has performed in its past, it's important to remember that past performance is not always an indicator of future results. Just because a fund has done well in the past doesn't mean it will continue to do so in the future. Market conditions, the fund's manager strategy, and other external factors can change, which might impact the fund's future performance. What historical performance can tell you. That said, historical performance can still provide some useful information. It can help you understand how a fund has weathered different market conditions. For example, how did it perform during market crashes or economic downturns? Did it hold up well or lose a lot of value? This can give you an idea of the fund's risk profile and how it might fit well with your own risk tolerance. Looking at more than just returns. When assessing mutual funds, it's important not to solely focus on returns. While returns matter, you should also consider other factors such as the fund strategy, the experience of the fund manager, the fees involved, and how the fund fits with your overall investment goals. For instance, a fund with a higher return might also come with higher risks or higher fees, which could impact your long-term results. Diversification and risk. It's also crucial to look at the fund's diversification. A well-diversified fund can help spread risk, which is important for managing your portfolio. Even if a fund has had great returns, if it's concentrated in just one sector or an asset class, it could be more volatile and risky. In conclusion, while historical performance can provide some insight, it should not be the sole factor in deciding whether to invest in a mutual fund. Make sure to consider other aspects like the fund strategy, fees, and risk profile. Keep in mind that the future performance is uncertain, and investing should align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more investment education. See you in the next video. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.